Alright, yeah, we're back with another reaction, and I got this one. This one is funny because I want to break this one down to the people that don't know. For the people that have never been in the world that I grew up in, and I don't say that I grew up in this world. I grew up down the street from this type of world. You know what I'm saying? Like, I grew up in, if you know anything about Pomona or you know anything about sugar free, then you understand where I come from. So, this video is just puns and jokes, but a man caught his wife cheating on him. He put a camera into the house and he just wanted to see what was going on in his wife's house. And to me, things don't add up. They don't add up the way that y'all would think it adds up. So I'm going to let the video play. Nah, you saw what I saw. If as a husband, you seen this, you be like, damn, my wife is cheating, you know. But let me teach you something different. In the world that I come from, them men were leaving in and out of that house just a little too fast. You know what I'm saying? The first two dudes were there for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes plus. Yeah, max. 10 minutes max. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. But if you seen what I seen, 10 minutes max. And if that woman has any type of money in her pocket, if she never asks you for nice things and she buys nice things all the time, if she's able to help out with the bills and rent and she ain't got no job, if you're trying to figure out what this woman does, you have a good clue right about now. Because I've told you damn near everything you needed to know. This woman is out here doing something strange for a little piece of change. You know what I'm saying? She out here doing it wild. But let me let you know, hey, if that's how you got to get your money, do your thing. But her husband just didn't know. So those are things that you need to express with your husband, your family members, your spouse, your everything. My teeth were looking yellow. No, okay. Nah, but yeah, man, y'all gotta get y'all shit right with y'all spouses because at the end of the day, brother, this is bad. This right here is something that even me, I wouldn't want to know. I mean, I wouldn't want to find out. Damn, baby, I come home and then you thinking that this is this and it's different. At least you could tell her, brother. God dang. But y'all leave y'all thoughts in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, you know, look, check out my old videos. I got a good amount of content. I'm doing at least 2 to 3 videos a day if I can. All right, y'all be blessed.